we don't need to talk about dark matter anymore.
Yeah.
We don't need it.
What we don't
need it
is not
because what we have is the total eating up of Fabrikas per galaxy, and also for sure the force we can calculate. It will come up maybe with 10% or 5% or 15% of the total force that is needed. But actual thing is more than that. Actual thing is the total Fabrika eating basically calculation that we are going to have for a galaxy, which will be exactly similar to what we are missing here. So we don't need even a dark matter here at all.
But our dependence will change, we hope, yeah?
R is irrelevant in this. That's why R2, like we don't need R2.
R2.
We don't need R2, like we just need the distribution of the mass, which will be R. Exactly, it will be R. We will need the distribution mass in a certain space, which is a galaxy. You know, it don't need R2. Because R2, what R2 comes from? R2 comes from two objects. R2 comes from two objects. The gravity in Newton has two objects. That's why it is M1, M2,
So
R squared.
Here will be different power, I don't even know what, but yeah, that's it. Yeah.
No, it is not a power or force event. You know, here we have M1, M2, because we have two, we have R2.
Yeah.
No, we don't need this, because we don't need this in our calculation. What we need is just M, independent from each other, eating up Fabrikas per second, and therefore we don't need anything else except that. Now, in a volume like a galaxy, like a space like a galaxy, we have, like, for example, certain mass, and this mass is eating up Fabrikas, doesn't need R2. It doesn't need R2 at all.
But there will be some different power of R in our
For sure.
in our model. Let's
For
see.
sure.
Let's
But
see.
what we are gonna actually come up with, it is this. It will be like Newtonian law, M1, M2, let's say, plus R2, plus something like this. M1, it will be like total mass of the galaxy, R of the galaxy, let's say. This is gonna similar to this. I'm just talking about the concept, because for sure we have the effect of gravity and we have like a real gravity, which is subtraction of space and time. This is the effect, counts for 10%. This is the real one, real subtraction. It is gonna count for 90%, for example. Why? Because this is way bigger. This R2 is each object toward each object. It is not about the same R.
But we drop the term we drop in our model, yeah? First time.
No, we should calculate this as well, because we still have the force also. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like, we have effects and we have the root cause. Root cause is this. Root cause is eating up all of the Fabrikas all the time by mass, and then we have also effect of that. Therefore, if we have, like, we can calculate this plus this, and then we will have that. Or what we can do is this can be irrelevant if we come up with a proper, basically, calculation on this. Even we don't need this because it will be part of this. If we have a proper equation for the gravity, we don't need even M2, any kind of M2, because it will be all inside the package.
What will be the R, power of R?
Yes.
That's interesting, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah, because now I have to, it will be some kind of differential equation.
Yes. Okay, thank you.